Activating a package in R and unactivating a package in R. Now, you want to activate a particular package in R after installing that particular package. For instance, this package I've already installed the read Excel package. This package helps you to import it helps you to import Excel file. Excuse me. It helps you to import Excel file into R. Now, if I want to activate this package, either I search for the package here. I go to the search and the read XL, you type the name of the package. Now, once you type the name of the package, it displays the name of the package, the description of the package is read Excel file. So that is what it does. It helps you to read Excel file from an external source. It helps you to import Excel file into R, and this is the version. If I want to activate it, all I need is to just click on activate. But you can see once I use this now this is a part of function in that file. I run this. Now running this, you can see that it's telling me it does not exist. But when I click on this to activate it and I run this line of code all over again, and I run this line of code all over again, there's no error. Now you can see it has actually run the line of code. Or alternatively, you won't let me uncheck it to unactivated. Now running that line of code is telling me that it's not activated. That is how to unactivate it. If you want to unactivate it, all you need to do is to uncheck the check box beside the package, the installed package. Now if I can also use this line of code, the library function, and run the read XL without the double quotation marks, and I run that will put a check mark beside it, and this is how to activate and unactivate an install package in R. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and TikTok channel, Instagram channel, and our Facebook channel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to share our video.